I'm out of town, bugging with my rounds.
I miss my taco, but in places help you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just compete.
All right, y'all. So it is Tuesday, May the 22nd or the 23rd, I believe. If you're new here, I'm Jasmine. So, dolls, before we go any further, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Go ahead and subscribe. And girl, I look crazy. Okay, we're finna get ready to go in this weed though. And I am about to get me some hair because I'm finna get some braids. Period. So let's go in here and get these. Here's me. Some hair. Y'all know I always go to this hair store. So it's so shaky.
Let me see, right?
All right, let's go check out. I'm out of town, bugging with my rounds. All right, y'all. So I got a bunnet. I got an extra long silky bunnet, and it says it's double layered. I really was hoping they had just like a solid pink or something, but this will do, honey. It don't matter. I'm going to bed. Nobody finna see me. Oh, but y'all might see me sometime, because y'all know we had my bunnet on. Let me see, honey. Let me see something, honey, because you know them braids gotta go in there. Hey, this cute. Period. Don't ever play with it. I just hope this part don't hurt my head. Oh shit. Thank you. Alright, anyway. I just had to see what it we're doing. Couldn't wait till I got home. But anyway, I just picked up me some jacks, y'all. I'm just finna get ready to head back to work, honey. Yeah. So yeah. We're actually gonna get our hair done tomorrow. Well, in the morning. Your girl's gonna get some braids. It's been a minute since I had some braids, y'all. Hopefully my little edges done grew back some. I think they have a little bit, but y'all know they bald. But you know, Aaliyah always knows how to finesse my hair to make it look, you know. So I ain't really worried about that, but I am so excited. It's been a while, actually. I think it's been a minute since I had braids, because I have gotten so into like the sew-ins with leave out. So they put the wrong sauce in here. Like, why is it so hard to listen, bro? Ain't nobody said nothing about no buffalo. I said barbecue. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my lunch, honey, because you know I gotta try to make it back on time. Tonight I'm going to be taking my hair down and washing it and preparing it for getting it prepared for tomorrow for my appointment. So yeah, I'm excited, y'all. But anyway, talk to y'all in a minute. Bye. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 24th. Girl, I just got done washing my hair. And I'm gonna get ready to blow it out real quick so that we can head to go get our hair braided. I almost didn't make it to my hair appointment, y'all, because girl, I woke up with a headache. Do you hear me? But I ate something, I hydrated, and took an Alka-Seltzer, so now I'm A1. So yeah, let's go ahead and blow this hair out. I would record it, y'all, but girl, I gotta hurry up. I gotta hurry up, and I ain't got no clothes on, so I'll holler at y'all once I make it to the shot.
They don't need to play, they can dance. Need to tell her. Good job, look at me. Your brother left a book down on the street. What's going on?
All right, y'all, so I have made it home, and my hair, I got knotless braids, y'all. This is the hair, baby. Period. Don't play with it. Y'all. But yeah, so this is my hair. I'll show y'all a better view of it tomorrow. It's late, girl. I'm tired and I'm ready to lay it down. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I'm eating the protein bar. I'm about to make some coffee. Good morning. It is Thursday, May. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm about to make me some coffee to go. I'm getting ready to head to the shop. It's currently 7:31. I gotta be there at 8. As soon as it's done, we're gonna leave. Y'all, I'm in such a good mood this morning. I'm just so thankful. And I'm just thankful. I'm thankful for life. I'm thankful to have been able to wake up this morning in the right mind. I'm thankful for growth. I'm thankful for changes. I'm thankful for the good and the bad, because all of it works together for the better. So I'm just excited, y'all. I'm just excited. And you know, honestly, this might be too much information, but y'all know I've been working on me. I really have. I've been working on me. This journey has not been easy at all, but I'm just, anytime that I feel the presence of God, I have a great day. A great day. And it's been a little minute since I actually like felt it. I mean, I've still been praying and stuff, but it was just so strong this morning. So anytime I have a morning or a moment like that with the Spirit of God, it's just it's like I'm on a high. If that makes sense. But anyway, I'm finna put some creamer in here. And then we finna go, honey. But yeah, y'all, so I said I was gonna show y'all a better view of my braids. These are my knotless waist length braids. I did not go super long this time, y'all, because I don't know. Baby, I enjoyed my thigh length braids that time, but it's just too much, baby. This is enough for me. They still slap. Oh. Gonna transfer my coffee. Oh, I know. All right, y'all. Hey, I'm back in the car. what we finna do? What are we finna do today? I know I'm hungry, and I know I need to pick up like some light groceries for the house. I really need to cook today. Y'all have not cooked in days. Days. So, we need to come up with something to cook for today and grab some light groceries. And I know I need to pick up some setting spray. And yeah. So, let go. Alright, y'all, so I just got back from the grocery store. I picked up some light groceries for the week, and I'm actually hungry right now. So I'm probably gonna make me one of these burgers, y'all. I was put onto these, so I'm gonna put y'all on. Baby, these Angus Vidalia onion beef patties. Baby, they are so good. I got these from Walmart. Honestly, y'all, all you really have to do, you don't really have to do anything, but I like to put just a little bit of seasoning on mine while they're cooking, and I usually put them on the grill, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do it or whatever. But yeah, so I'm finna get ready to make me one of these for lunch. I got some Lunchables for like a little snacky snack around the house, because we've been doing better with not eating out, but you got to have stuff like this in the house when you want a little snack. You don't always got to go to one getting in. You better make you a bowl of cereal. But yeah. Oh, and then I've been, whoa, it's that time of the month, baby. So, you know, I got to have me something chocolate. Which these, it says it's 180 calories per serving, but I'm only going to eat one at a time. So it'll be fine. I got some assorted popsicles for Aiden and myself. Or got some Doritos. I got my onion for when I make dinner tonight. Some cranberry juice. And we're gonna be trying these buns, y'all. These brioche buns. Got some broccoli, some shrimp, and some sausage. Cause I'm gonna cook a little. I'm gonna try to cook up a little something later on that I haven't made in a while. And y'all, so it's a little time later. I'm actually getting ready to, well, I'm preparing dinner a little bit early. It's 5:58. It's about to be 6 o'clock, but I want to go ahead and get this done so that I can relax, girl. I'm so tired. So what's on the menu for tonight? I'm going to be making a teriyaki rice, a fried teriyaki rice with shrimp, broccoli. My shrimp right here. And then we're gonna do broccoli, sausage. I have some red bell pepper, onion, and garlic in here. My rice is here. Whoop. And then we're probably gonna do garlic bread with it. So I'll be back with the results. Y'all, good morning. Dang, what happened to my house, y'all? Today is Friday. I realized last night, y'all, I did not come back and let y'all know how dinner turned out. Baby, baby, Chef Who. Dinner turned out amazing. As a matter of fact, I'm eating some now. I only got a little bit left, y'all. When I get home tonight, because I'm on my way to work, by the way. When I get home tonight, I will show y'all how I'll play it for y'all so y'all can see it. But it turned out so good. And I finally got the rice right in my rice cooker, y'all. Y'all know I've been struggling, honey. But my boyfriend actually helped me. He showed me how to use it and what to do and what type of rice to buy. Baby, it's up. Call me Rice Cooking Jay, because baby, I can cook some rice. Anyway, I don't have anything going on, y'all. I'm just on my way to work. But I will check in with y'all on my lunch break. Talk to y'all in a little bit. Oh, thank you so much. Hey guys, so today is Saturday, girl. I just left Target. I just got me this what is this? Chocolate Java frozen coffee. I opt out of the mint. It's one of the new drinks, but I didn't want mint in it, so I opt out for that. Ooh, birdie. I didn't record while I was in there, y'all, because honestly, I wasn't even looking for anything. I was just killing time on my lunch break. But I did run into a subscriber. I did not get a chance to catch her name. But, girl, if you're watching this, hey, girl, hey. So, yeah. We just finna get ready to head back to work, y'all. I just wanted to check in. I will probably be back later on tonight when we get home. Good morning, Jazzy Doll gang. Today is Sunday. I'm just about to get ready to end the vlog here. I have to work today, so absolutely nothing is going on today. I know this week's vlog was a little bit short, but I'm hoping that I can get the vlog uploaded today on Sunday, and then Monday we can start next week's vlog, so we can have a full week instead of starting on a Wednesday. Next week, we are going to go ahead and start prepping for our trip. So we'll be getting our nails done. I'm going to be dermaplaning my face, giving myself a little bit of self-care, a facial and stuff. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you're not already subscribed, definitely take a minute and hit the subscribe button, sis. If you don't have a YouTube account, girl, it'll only take about probably like 1 minute to create your account so you can subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of the new content that I'll be posting. But I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,